back to my channel. This is your girl, Great Gabrielle. Continuing from last week's video, which was all about vision boards, today we're gonna be putting our vision boards to action. This video is gonna be a two-part video. One of the parts is about time matrix chart, and the second, most effective way to time block. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. What is time matrix? Created by Stephen Covey, is a model designed to kind of take out all of that task thinking that is up in your brain onto a piece of paper or a notebook or an iPad, you know, whatever resource you use. So all it is you writing down every single task that you need to be doing. It can be your shopping, making music, working on your project, a class, anything that is gonna make you achieve your vision board. Step 2. We're gonna put all of our tasks, we're gonna put them into the time matrix. We're gonna work out what is urgent and important, urgent but not important, important but it's not urgent, and what it's not important and it's not urgent. So for example, if you have an exam this week coming up, that is urgent and that is important. You would put it into this box. For example, for me, my nephew's birthday is coming up this Tuesday, so I know that's urgent and I know that's important. So I'm gonna put, and as I put it here, I'm gonna cross that out here. I know I need to update the website. That is very urgent and it's important. Relationship building, so that's, you know, calling up your family, your friends, maybe going out for lunch. That's not urgent, but it's important. I would put relationship building here. For example, checking your social media. These are the things that seem urgent, but they're not actually important. So that would go like here. Watching TV, you know, procrastinating essentially. So you want to put things in here that are like what you're doing right now that's not allowing you to achieve your vision board. I'm just going to complete the board and I'll see you in a bit. So my board looks something like this. And the beauty of it is that you can review which tasks you did do, which tasks you didn't do, and then you can put those either in here, 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 or here. Things that are on this side, we're going to keep them in our weekly planning. So yeah, this is how you approach time matrix. We have a weekly calendar. Since our vision board has 9 sections, we're going to give each section a color. For example, if I am updating my website, I know I'm working on my career. So that's going to be my career color. Now, I only have 8 colors, so I put love and relationship into one color. So this is the colors that I've chosen. So brown is for spirituality, yellow reputation, green love and relationships, blue wealth, red career, orange hobby, black travel, and purple health. So now that we know what each color represents, we're going to start working with the most urgent and most important tasks, putting them into the calendar according to the colors that they represent from our vision board. You can do this on online calendar, whatever is most convenient for you. For me personally, I choose to get a whiteboard. I got this from Wilkinson's and it was like £6. My nephew's birthday is on Tuesday and that is represented by color green because that's building relationships. So as you can see, I put in here a little time slot, and once I've done that, I'm gonna tick it off on my list from important and urgent. Once you put in all the colors on your board, you can tell which sections of your vision board you are working on the most. You can tell which sections of your vision board that you're kind of maybe neglecting. Another example would be on Monday, we're having a business meeting, so I can put that in on Monday. So as you can see, my board is definitely coming along. Now I'm just gonna fill in the rest of my week and then I'm gonna be back. Basically, this is how I created my weekly calendar. Now, I've also added notes to each day so I can kind of review my day. And honestly, this kind of structure has worked really, really well for me. This outline not only is building good habits, it's also building discipline. An extra tip. Studies show that leaving 2-hour to 4-hour gap in between your time blocks, just having a constricted time totaling 2 to 4 hours each day is recommended. Increase productivity, motivation, and if there's something urgent you need to do, you can move your time blocks around those 2 to 4 hours. Treat these time blocks as like doctor appointments. Get your hard tasks out first. Once you know you've got all your hardest tasks out, it's only going to get easier and easier and easier. If you have gaps in your calendar, weekly calendar, just fill in those gaps with activities that are going to help you manifest your vision board. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment and share. I will see you next Sunday.